is this one from the brand Moroccan Oil. Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Anna. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a hair tutorial, or that's what I like to think. I'm just kind of showing you how I got this hairstyle. Yeah, I'm not the best at doing hair whatsoever. I swear to God. If there's one thing I really don't care about is hair. As you might have noticed, I always wear my hair straight. The first time I came out with this hairstyle, it was kind of sort of an accident. I was running really late for work and I knew I didn't have enough time to flat iron my whole entire head, and I was like, let's just try to throw in a few curls here and there and maybe it'll look nice. And turns out it's probably the best decision I've ever made in my life. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna be a roller coaster because like I told you, I don't do hair. I don't know how to do hair, so just bear with it because apparently I was able to achieve something cute because look at this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and let's just get started because who cares? Okay, let's get started. I personally like to deal with my bangs until the very end, so I'm gonna be wearing this the whole time. Please ignore. You actually don't need to prep your hair for this. This is how I did it the first time I tried it and you guys really liked it. So I just rolled out of bed. My hair looked kind of something like this. It was just kind of air dried and I just grabbed my curling wands. I'm not trying to impose which curling wand you want to buy. I'm actually the least expert in these kind of things. I bought this because I saw it at Marshall's and it's not like the prettiest but it works so well. Like, it really makes your hair really smooth. It's from Eva NYC. I do want to advise though that don't buy the really cheap ones from Walmart because I used to have one of those and every time I curl my hair it would be so stiff. Like, it would be like crunchy almost. You can just get whatever one you want as long as it's 1 inch and it's a curling one. I think it's gonna be great. My number one secret is that you don't need to curl your entire head. I actually never do. This is something that I feel like only people with short hair can do. So let's grab our layer. Make sure to go all the way to the back here, and you're kind of like not going to use this at all, so I like to clip it away. This is the only thing you're left with, so you know what you're going to work with. Obviously I like to brush it first, and then we're going to spray some heat protectant. I'm using this one from Dry Bar that's called Hot Toddy. And then brush it through again. I think that setup is better, so you guys, because I'm like lifting my arms too much and you couldn't see that. I'm gonna grab small pieces, like about this much. I personally don't like when people curl their hair like one side to the back, one side towards the front. I like to do everything towards the same side. So let me explain a little bit. You guys notice that when I curl my hair like this, I start moving it up and down like that. I think that is what gets the very loose wave that is totally what we're looking for. So do it like that, and then just for a little bit. You see, it was barely anything, and then you just leave it and it's very loose. If you leave the hair on the wand and just like stay still, it's gonna make it even more voluminous, I guess. And if you go up and down, it's gonna be a very like washed out wave. It's very important that you do that. So let me do this again. You put it right here towards the back, leave the ends out, and then you go up down like that, and that's it. So now I'm gonna clip the rest of my hair, kind of shake it. Okay, so once I put my hair down, I noticed that you can definitely see the difference between these bottoms and tops. So I'm just gonna grab a few pieces here and there, like, and just curl them really quickly, like not too much, very loose, just to kind of make it blend a little bit better. As you can see, I'm not being perfectionist whatsoever. I'm just grabbing the most random pieces, curling them so they can blend in. It might look a little weird right now, don't worry, we're gonna go back and fix it once all of our hair is down, but for now I'm gonna continue to do the rest of my curling on this side. So again, clip it, just the top layer, and put the rest away. So you guys know how on this side I curl everything towards the back? Now on this side I'm going to do the exact same, but I'm going to curl it towards the left. So the right side towards the right and the left side towards the left. Duh, that makes sense, I hope. So I'm doing the same thing on this side. I'm curling it and then leaving the ends straight because that's like the look that we're going for. And then the same thing going up and down so it doesn't make like a really stiff curl, and then pull it this side towards the back. Kind of like focus on the roots, that's where we want to get the most volume, and then the ends are just straight obviously. So up, down, let go, pull a little. Perfect. Those look so good. Let's hope it all looks good at the end because I'm doubting myself. So I'm gonna grab another piece, same curl backwards, leave the end straight, up down like that. Don't leave it in for too long because that's when it gets really ugly. So just a few seconds. Also, this is at 370 Fahrenheit. I don't know if that makes a difference. I honestly didn't even mess up with the settings. This is how it came, but I think it's a perfect temperature. So up, down, and there it is. Pull it. Moment of truth is when we lay all of our hair out and see what it looks like together. I can definitely see where I need some help from the flat iron because this is like a little too puffy down here. So I'm gonna go in and like kind of make it flat. You guys are gonna see. But other than that, I think the waves look really good. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then usually I forget about the pieces in the back, so I'm just gonna make sure that I cover that. I can't really see all the way there, but I'm just gonna grab 2 pieces from the back and then curl them again. Ow, I just burned my finger. Ow, that hurt. I'm gonna go ahead and start my flat iron and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, flat iron is ready. Remember when I told you I don't know much about curling wands? Well, my jam is flat iron, so I can answer all of your flat iron questions. But the flat iron has literally been my best friend since I was 13. And I just wanna, this is not, swear to God, sponsor or anything. I just wanna make a quick little recommendation. If you wanna invest in a flat iron, which I think you should because a good flat iron will literally last years and years and years, you should definitely get the one from Dry Bar. This is hot, so I can't really touch it, but this is the one from Dry Bar. I tried everything. You call it Chi or Chai, C-H-I, T3, I don't know, DHD, something like that. Dry Bar is where it's at, trust me. Hi, I'm gonna fix the little ends because as you can tell, they're a little puffy and we don't want this to be puffy. So here you're gonna grab all of it, even the bottom layers that we didn't curl. You're just gonna grab them and pull down straight like that. You can already tell the difference between this side and that side, so we're gonna do the same with this. We're gonna grab it, obviously better if you do in sections, and just gonna literally do the ends like that, pull down. Oh yeah, so much better. And then grab this whole front section, pull down. And I did notice the front parts are a little too curly, so I'm just gonna go over. So this is a part where I go in and fix my bangs. So if you guys don't have bangs, then you're done. This is how your hair looks like. I do go in with some oil at the end, but I'm gonna do that once I put my bangs and everything. This is what I do every single day. So this is almost the final look. The last step is to go in with some oil. Super important to hydrate your hair because we literally just went with a curling wand and a flat iron, so you want to make sure it's replenished and healthy. This is my favorite hair oil. It's from the brand Moroccan Oil. It's definitely expensive, so that's why I like to buy the small size. I got this from Sephora.com and I'm actually about to be done with it, and I had it for a long time. Like about this much. Rub it in between your fingers, your hands, everything. I only like to put this on the ends because that's usually where my hair is the driest. So make sure you saturate everything on the ends so they don't look super dry. And then I like to do this movement. I don't even know what that's called, but this is what works for me. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. And then just whatever's left, slightly go through your whole hair. You just don't want to overdo it because it gets really oily. That is it, you guys. Oh my gosh, I did a hair tutorial. I can't believe this. I hope I was able to give you a great hair tutorial. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more so you guys can see the final result. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna turn to the side and then the other side. I think it's adorable. I can't believe this was so easy to achieve, and I don't know, I feel like this is more flattering than the other hairstyle I was doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye!